Hello friend, I am 𝐂𝐭 and in this video I will show you how you can get a TikVPN in a free. So please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Here you can see I had already created a video about how you can get 1 subscribe free VPN for 1 month. Please watch that video if you want 1 subscribe VPN, or if you are interested to get private VPN Pro, then please watch this video. Here you can see I had created a video about 1 month ago. Here you can see I will suggest you to please watch my YouTube videos list. Here you can see a lot of useful tutorial I had created in last couple of months. So let's start this tutorial. Just go to TikVPN homepage and click on here sign in or sign up button. Type here your email address and type here your password. You can use your Gmail address or Tempmail or Outlook or Hotmail in anything. You can also save this account detail in your Chrome profile, but here I am using never. Then go to your email address. Just refresh your email address. You will receive an email address from TikVPN. Maybe it is in a spam folder. Here you can see the email arrived in a spam folder. Just open my email, then click on activate your trial. Yes, activate your trial. Here you can see this is the free account. Now I will give you a coupon code, gift code on my blog website. This is my blog website URL. I will not give a coupon code in this video description because here you can see I got a community guidelines strike on my YouTube channel, so I did not upload any more videos in this month. So I will give the coupon code or gift code on my blog website. Simply copy from there and you can use it. And please, if you can't see here, I have already written a post about how you can see hidden content. Please watch this article before use that. I had already copy the gift code. So after the copy gift code, simply paste here and click on this apply button. Here you can see a notification redeemed successfully. Then click on OK. Scroll up and go to your billing section. Here you can see 7 days free trial. Date, you can also see the date also. I will give the coupon code or gift code on my blog website. I will give my blog website homepage URL on this video description. You can get from there. And if you need anything from this image, then you can simply contact me on Instagram, like Grammarly Premium for 3 months or 6 months or 1 year or 1 month, or old Facebook page or Microsoft 365 genuine license key, or Prime Video or Canva Premium or GitHub Student Developer Pack. I will provide you in a cheap price. Or I can also provide you Windows activation key, which is original license, not cracked. I will not promote anything illegal or anything malicious. You need anything from this, I can provide you in a cheap price. And I have also some WordPress theme which is GPL license, like GeneratePress, Newspaper, Jana, ClickMag, GreenMat or Jana, ClickMag extra, and some plugin also available. These all are the plugins of all are the plugin are GPL license version, and these all are the product available. I can provide you in a cheap price. If you are still watching this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to reach 2K subscriber, and also like this video. Thank you for watching video.